Hey there, hope you are doing well. So welcome to eCode's 100 Days of Coding Challenge. Today is day 5 and let's see the question number 2. So the question is, develop a Java program illustrating access control and inheritance in a hierarchical structure. Construct classes representing animal, mammal and dog with distinct access modifiers for their attributes and methods. So in this question also we are going to deal with the access control, and so let us see what is the description given. We need to create 3 classes, define attributes like species, name, age, and methods like eat and make sound with varying access modifiers. Also, we need to demonstrate how these access modifiers impact inheritance and method overriding. So there is no particular input format for this question. The output will be, we need to display the details about animals, mammals, and dogs by calling their method, showcasing how the access modifiers influence the visibility and even the behavior of attributes and methods. So the tasks are, we need to instantiate the object for all the classes and call the methods within these classes and observe their behavior. Also, we need to try to access and modify the attributes with different access levels from outside the respective classes to demonstrate access control rules. Also, implement overridden methods in subclasses that provide unique behavior while still adhering to access control rules defined in the superclass. So let us quickly write the code. So as this is about animals, I am going to create a class called animals.java. And now we have the main method, public static void main. So the first class we need to create is class animal. So animal. So what all attributes does an animal have? So we have species. Okay, so let me give it as string species, and then int age. Then what else we have? Name. Okay, string name. Okay, so I'm going to give one attribute to each of them. So public string species, then the protected name, and then I'm going to keep it as a default. I have given 3 attributes with 3 different access modifiers. So now we have to write the constructor for this animal class. So I'm going to keep it as a public. There will be no return type as this is a constructor and animal. I'm going to pass here string species because this is going to be a parameterized constructor, so it will be having parameters and then all these 3 attributes. So I'm going to initialize all these using this keyword. This dot species equals species, this dot name equals name, and this dot age equals age. Okay, so now this animal class will also have 2 methods, which is eat and make sound. So I'm going to write one as public eat. So it will be having void as return type, and here I'm going to print s out animal eats. So let me give the another method as a protected void make sound. So here also I'm going to write a print statement that animal makes sound. So these are the 2 methods, one I have given as a public and the other one as protected. So now we have 2 child classes. One is class mammal. So is it a class mammal? Yes, it is. So class mammal, and that extends the animal class. Now for this class, I'm going to write a constructor mammal, and I'm going to pass all these things, and this is going to directly inherit all the properties of the animal class. So I'm going to write super and all the three variables here. So this super keyword will be invoking the constructor of the parent class. So invokes animal constructor. Then the values of that particular mammal would be initialized using this. So now we can also write the methods like eat and make sound. So public void eat s out. So here what mammal eats. So I have overridden the method present in the parent class, and then again protected void makes sound. So here you can see public means it is accessible from anywhere. So here even protected can be overridden because this is in the same package. So we can declare all these things in the same package. Also because this mammal extends animal, that's why this protected is accessible in the child class. I can override this also. So I can write mammal makes sound. So this is also done. So now there is another class called dog which extends the mammal class. And this dog, so let me give a new attribute for this which is string breed. So the constructor for this is dog, and let me give the public access modifier for this mammal constructor and even the dog. So what all attributes does it have? So it has all the attributes as the parent along with the new attribute which is the breed, the string breed. So now I'm again going to invoke the constructor of the parent class and pass all the attributes. Along with that, I'm going to explicitly write this dot breed equals breed to instantiate the breed also of the dog. Now I'm also going to override the methods called eat for the dog class, where the print statement will be dog eats, and the protected will be also overridden. So here it will be dog makes sound. That's it. I have written the three classes along with the methods which they need. So now it's time for us to instantiate the objects for each of this class. So animal A1 equals new animal. So let me give the animal species as unknown, and then the name as, so let me give the animal name as animal. Let the age be 2. Now I'll create a mammal. So mammal M1 equals new mammal, and then the species be mammal. As it is a mammal, it is going to be a mammal, and the name be, so let me give some random name, animal 2, and let the age be 4. I'm giving some random values, and then dog D1 equals new dog. So the species will be mammal. And then I'm going to give the name. So let it be, so the name of the animal is dog. So let me give the age as 3 years. And then we have an extra, so let me give it as golden retriever. These are all the three objects which are created for 3 classes. Now let me access all the methods. So let us see animal.makeSound. It is protected, but it's still accessible because this entire thing is in the same package. And then I'm going to write m1.makeSound. So let us check if this m1.makeSound is getting the values are getting overridden or not. And then we have d1.makeSound. So also let me print a1 dot, so what is that, a1 dot eat. So this a1 dot eat method, so actually this eat method is public, so it will also get overridden. So m1 dot eat, and then again d1 dot eat. Let me run this file and check. Java C. So Java C animals.java and Java animals. You can see animal eats, animal makes sound, mammal eats, mammal makes sound, dog eats, and dog makes sound. So it is clear. So we had tried to access all the methods and it was possible. So our first task is done. So now also we can try to access and modify the attributes with different access levels from outside their respective classes. So let me try to modify the values for this. So I'm going to write here void modify, and here I'm going to pass the values of animal, comma, and let me write it as int age. So I'm trying to modify the age of the animal. So So how I'm going to do? Animal.age equals age. So this age is a new age which will be modified with the animal's age. And now I'm going to access. So let me make this as a comment. And so d1 dot modify. So let the animal, so as the animal is a1, and as the age given here is 2, so I'm going to modify the age with 8. Now before the output we got, so actually we didn't display it, right? So we can also write a display method inside this. Let me write it as here itself, animal.age. So inside this modify method only I have written a print statement which will display the age of the animal. So let me compile the file again, animals.java, and then the Java animals. You can see the age has changed to 8. So previously it was 2 and now it's 8. So the second task is done, and then implement overridden methods into subclasses that provides unique behavior while still adhering to access control rules defined in the super class. So we had already overridden the methods in the subclasses here, which has successfully worked. So that's it about this code and this question. So do follow the 100 Days of Coding Challenge by Vico. Thank you for watching.